Are you looking for a docking station? Well, this one might be the one for you. Let's find out in today's episode of Good Tech Cheap. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. Starting out, if you are new to the show, make sure to subscribe and turn that bell on if you'd like to receive notifications. In today's episode, we have partnered up with our good friends over at Baseus to check out a docking station, this bad boy, and it's going to be pretty sweet. All the links and details are in the description, so make sure to check that out. First, let's go get this out of the box and do some tests. Let's go. Alright, so we've got the 4K at 120 Hertz, full clarity, that's what we're talking about. 13 port expansion, USB-C hub. Let's see what we get right out of the box. Peel this back. Alright, so we've got some stickers. Right on top we have some stickers. Then we've got our manual, some more paperwork. Then we have the unit itself, and it is definitely slick looking, made out of some high quality aluminum, I believe. You have a total of 13 ports being featured with its 13-in-1 design. We have two 10 Gbps ports, along with a 10 Gbps port in USB-C format, as well as a 480 Mbps port, our headphone jack, an Ethernet port, a VGA port, two HDMI ports right here, both of them being 4K 60 Hz. Then we've got our display port right here, which is going to be your 4K at 120 Hertz. That's one you definitely want to use if you can. Then we have a PD 100 watt input and some memory card readers. So let's go get this on some devices and try it out. So when it comes to docking stations, I absolutely love them. I find them so handy and I use them all of the time. And of course, Baseus being a brand that we can highly trust makes me love this one that much more. It's efficient when you need to connect multiple monitors, equipped with your two HDMI ports and one display port, as well as a VGA port. It allows you to connect 2 or 3 external monitors at the same time, as well as that display port being a max 4K at 120 Hz output, while also being backwards compatible with 4K at 60 Hz, 4K at 30 Hz, and 1080 at 60 Hz. So if you have the display that can support all the way up to a 4K at 120 Hz, this hub is the one you want to look into. And of course, you got to have high-speed data transfer. One of the biggest reasons I find myself using these hubs. The 10 Gbps super speed data transfer with the USB 3.1, where you can easily transfer large media files with speeds up to 1000 ms. You also have powerful pass-through charging technology, where you can connect a 100 watt charger to the hub using a USB-C to C cable, then plug it into the USB-C PD port on the left side of the hub, and it will pass through power charging your laptop using its power delivery technology. And of course, with it now being USB-C, it is the universal plug, meaning universal compatibility. This USB-C hub is compatible with Thunderbolt 3 and 4 devices and most USB-C devices. So if you're looking for a docking station that you can trust, Baseus is a brand I would highly recommend for you to look into. Well, that about wraps it up for today's episode. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, get in the comments, let us know what your thoughts are on this docking station and how you like to use it. Also keep in mind all the links and details are in the description. Big shout out to Baseus for partnering up with us to give you this review. If you would like to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Turn that bell on if you'd like to receive notifications. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next review.